Hello. This is a reply really to people who have done this when they've opened the PS2. You open, obviously I've already undone it, and then the cord has come off for the eject button. There is a way to fix it, and I'm going to hopefully show you how. Right, obviously you've probably dismantled the PS2 already. You have 4 screws, as you probably know, on the cover there, which you want to undo, and then just take that off. Right, now you will have 2 screws which you need to take off, one there and then one down here. So we'll do that first. And then the fan should just pop out, but be careful because there is actually a wire there which you don't want to break. And then the back bit should hopefully, with a little bit of pressure, should pop off. Just make sure that's on the way. Right, and having done that, you can then put the back bit to one side and just have the fan like that. Right, okay, now basically what you need to do is you need to get under here. So, there should be, oh yeah, sorry, there's a clip at the front here, the metal clip, which what you need to do is get like a fairly small screwdriver and just press it, lever it off, and then obviously there's the clip, it will then come off. So you want to be careful here when you take this off, because if you can see under, you've got other power bits underneath the board. Excuse the dust. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'll show you. But if you see a socket there, you see that one just there, yeah? That will be where your cord will need to go. So, press it together, and then you might need somebody else to help you, but the cord should pop in. Now what you're going to need to do is get somebody to hold it. So, cameraman there, just it's a bit fiddly. Right, now just get someone else to hold that. Oops, that's better. And it goes in, just get a screwdriver behind. You'll have to bear with me for a minute. It is a bit tricky, but just get someone to hold the end so it goes in straight. Then it should go in after a little bit of thinking about, and then it'll be quite tight, and then just basically put everything down, and then if you can just bear with me for a second. getting the power cord, now you can obviously double turns first just to show you. Just to pop the power cord in there. And then switch it on. And there you have power again. So turn that on. Obviously my actual disc tray is a bit knackered because it's an old machine. So you have to hold it. And there you go. And contrary to what I've read, sorry about my disc tray. Yes, people saying it can't be fixed. Obviously it's fixed. So if that's ever happened to you, turn it off again. It is a bit fiddly, but it can be fixed. Well, there you go. Goodbye.